You don't need $2,000 to build a proper home office for remote work. We researched over 40 products this month and built a complete setup for under $500. Desk, chair, monitor, and everything you need to actually work from home. Most people massively overpay because they don't know which budget products actually work. This video shows you the exact 7 products we would buy today. Real prices, real specs, no fluff. Let's start building your setup. Here's what we're building today: a standing desk that adjusts height with one button, an ergonomic chair that stops back pain, a 24-inch monitor for productivity, wireless keyboard and mouse combo, HD webcam for Zoom calls, a desk lamp that saves your eyes, and cable management so your setup looks pro. 7 products, under $500. Let's break down each one. Product number 1, standing desk. First up, your desk. We're recommending the FEZIBO Brasa electric standing desk at $199. Here's why this one wins under $500. It's electric, no manual crank you'll stop using in 2 weeks. The height range goes from 28 inches to 47 inches, which fits users from 5 foot to 6 foot 2. It supports up to 154 pounds, so your monitor, laptop, and setup won't stress the motor. Now, is it the best standing desk ever made? No. It's a single motor design, so it's slightly slower and louder than $400 dual motor desks. But for someone building their first home office, this proves the concept without breaking the bank. After 6 months, if you love standing while working, upgrade later. For now, this is your entry point. Product number 2, ergonomic chair. Product number 2, your chair. This is where most people make the biggest mistake. They think a $50 chair is fine, then wonder why their back kills them 3 months later. The SIHOO M18 at $115 solves this. It has adjustable lumbar support that actually presses into your lower back. The armrests move up, down, and sideways. It reclines from 90 to 120 degrees, and the mesh back keeps you cool during 8-hour work sessions. Real talk, this isn't a Herman Miller Aeron. That chair costs $1,500, but for the price of one bad chiropractor visit, you get a chair that supports proper posture for years. If you sit for more than 4 hours daily working from home, this chair is worth every dollar. Product number 3, monitor. Now let's add a monitor. The Acer SB242Y 24-inch IPS monitor is $99, and this is genuinely one of the best value monitors in 2026. 1080p resolution is perfect for most remote work, email, spreadsheets, video calls, browsing. The IPS panel means colors look accurate from any viewing angle. It has 75 Hz refresh rate, which is smoother than standard 60 Hz. HDMI and VGA inputs let you connect any laptop or desktop. Yes, you can spend $500 on a 4K monitor with USB-C, but for most remote workers doing normal office tasks, you absolutely don't need it. This Acer handles Zoom, Google Docs, Excel, and web browsing perfectly. Pair it with your laptop, get a dual monitor setup for productivity, and your workflow instantly improves. Best $100 you'll spend on your setup. Product number 4, keyboard and mouse. The Logitech MK275 wireless combo is $30 for both pieces. This isn't a fancy mechanical keyboard for programmers, but it's what actual remote workers need: reliable, wireless, and quiet. One USB receiver connects both keyboard and mouse. Battery life lasts 24 months on the keyboard, 12 months on the mouse. Full-size layout with number pad included. Logitech has made these combos for 20 years. They just work. If you're spending 8 hours typing emails and reports, you don't want to think about your keyboard. This one disappears into the background, which is exactly what a good work tool should do. Product number 5, webcam. If your laptop camera looks terrible, or you're using a desktop with no built-in camera, the Logitech C270 at $25 fixes it instantly. It records at 720p HD, which is perfectly fine for Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Slack video calls. It has a built-in microphone that reduces background noise, and it clips onto your monitor in seconds with no software installation needed. Look, you don't need a $200 webcam to look professional on calls. You need clean lighting and a decent camera. The Logitech C270 has been the reliable choice for remote workers since 2010. Still holds up in 2026. Product 6, a desk lamp. This is the product most remote workers skip. then wonder why they get headaches and eye strain by 3 p.m. The TaoTronics LED desk lamp at $18 has 5 brightness levels and 5 color temperatures. So you get warm yellow light for morning work, cool white light for afternoon focus, and dim mode for evening video calls. Flexible arm adjusts to any angle, and it uses 80% less energy than old-school desk lamps. Proper lighting reduces eye strain by 40% during long work sessions. That's real health data. This $18 lamp saves you from screen-induced headaches, non-negotiable for any serious home office. Product number 7. Cable management. The JOTO Desk Cable Management Kit at $12 is the difference between a professional home office and a messy dorm room. You get an under-desk cable tray, adhesive clips, cable sleeves, and Velcro ties. Everything you need to hide your power strip, route monitor cables, and keep your desk looking clean. Why does this matter? Because Zoom calls where your background looks organized signals professionalism. And a clean workspace reduces mental clutter. Actual productivity research confirms this. $12, 15 minutes of installation, massive visual and psychological upgrade. The final reveal. All right, let's add it all up. Standing desk, $199. Ergonomic chair, $115. Monitor, $99. Keyboard and mouse combo, $30. HD webcam, $25. LED desk lamp, $18. Cable management kit, $12. Grand total, $498. $2 under our $500 budget. For less than what most people spend on a single Herman Miller chair, you get a complete home office. Desk, chair, monitor, peripherals, webcam, lighting, and cable management. Everything you need to actually work from home effectively. This is what smart home office setup looks like in 2026 for American remote workers. All 7 products with direct purchase links are in the description below. We've also created a detailed comparison spreadsheet on my website at usatechdeals.com. Link is pinned in the top comment. If this helped you save money on your home office setup, hit the subscribe button. Every Thursday we publish honest reviews of home office tech for American remote workers. No sponsorships, no paid rankings, just real research to help you buy smarter. Question for the comments: what's one product you'd add to this setup for under $50? We read every comment. See you next Thursday.